Come on, Nathan. We'll wait for you.
Hey, what is that trail going there?
I don't know. We'll go check it out.
Maybe
Let's go! Let's go to the nature trail. All right, go ahead. Go, Grace. I'm following you guys.
Oh.
Awesome!
Whoa, it goes up. I never seen that trail go up. A poison.
Poison ivy. Uh-oh, watch out.
Don't touch those. Those are poison ivies. Even that. Because I haven't seen a plant that's that big.
Uh-huh.
So that's poison ivy. Poison ivy is everywhere. Hey guys, look at that cocoon. Cocoon?
Check it out.
No.
No cocoon?
They didn't turn into cocoons yet.
All right, let's go to the end of the trail, see what...
Hey guys, there's ant hole. I don't want to mess them up.
Oh, why not?
I don't want to mess their house up.
Oh.
They will have nowhere to live.
Oh, that's awesome. That totally rocks. That's cool, Grace. Yep, folks, the nature trail. Sometimes it's good to get your kids out there and, well, get out. Yeah! All right, I'm coming. All right, folks, get your nature on. Y'all be good. Bye.